everyone, Serena B here and welcome to my crafty channel. I hope you are enjoying my 12 days of Christmas series. If you don't know about it, I will link the playlist down below so you can check it out. So today I have a scrapbook.com haul and I'm really excited to share this with you. Let's get started. So I got this Nouveau Glimmer paste and it's the Moonshine. I think that's what it's called. And it's basically like embossing paste, but it's glittery, and I'm really excited to try this out. My friend Danny is the one who told me about it, and I'm like, yes, I gotta try this. It's perfect for Christmas, and I'm really excited to play with this. So I got that, and then I got a mix of a bunch of different things, different collections. So I got the Here and There paper pad, the 6x6, after, you know, not getting it this whole time. I finally decided to get it because I am going to be working on a bunch of travel projects coming up soon, and I needed the paper. I have a lot of the 12x12, and I think I also bought some of it in digital format, but I needed some more, so I got the Here and There collection. And then I got the Merry Days sticker waterfall set. I was really like on and off about this because there's a lot of duplicates, but in the end I decided to get it anyway because I'm really loving this collection and these can be used for gift wrapping and a bunch of different things, so I picked it up. And then I also got some of the Hooray crepe paper collection. I actually placed a smaller haul again on scrapbook.com last week when they were having all the cyber sales, because I realized I want more from this collection, so I got some more items there, but it's really small. There's really no point in making another haul, so I'll probably share it on my Insta stories. If you guys are interested, I'll link my Instagram account below. So I really like this collection. I think it's so cute, and at first I was like, I don't need this, but then like Merry Days, I'm like, yeah, I do. It's perfect. My birthday was like 2 weeks ago, and I want to make a little mini folio. The ones I made here, I have a tutorial, I'll link it below. I want to make a mini folio with this collection to document my 31st birthday. So I thought this was really cute, and I'm absolutely loving the holographic elements, and this girl is just so cute. And I love the bear. They're so adorable. And then there's some labels down here as well. I really love this. And then I got the puffy embossed stickers, also same collection. I just really love the bear and the cat with the little hat. I thought this would be really cute for my little folio. And then I picked up the 6x8 paper pad, and this has holographic foiling on it, and I absolutely love it. Let me zoom in a little. Really pretty, simple patterns. And I thought, you know what, I don't have a birthday collection, and this is good to document everyone's birthday basically in my project life. So I have a birthday collection to use when I want to document it, and to be honest, I can use it for other things too. I don't need to use it for birthdays. Like, I can cut this up, make project life cards with them, you know. Next I got the reason why I placed this order was because of this. I had this scrapbook.com cart going for a couple of weeks, maybe even a month, and I had a bunch of Snow and Cocoa stuff in my cart, and I would check on it daily, and I watched the Snow and Cocoa collection just get out of my cart, and also the What Fun from My Mind's Eye. I just watched all that paper sell out, but this is the one item that I just could not lose. And when it went down to 3 and then 2 in the same day, like within a couple of hours, I'm like, no, I have to buy this. So I had to pick it up, and now it's sold out. So I'm really glad that I got it. I love that deer. I love the burr. I loved it since 2016, but I just never got it, and now I need everything. So I'm so happy I got this. And then I picked up some extra page protectors from Snap. I use them for all kinds of things. And I got the 6x8 pocket, and then I got this one. This one's new to me. It's the Insta Pocket, but it's 3x3 and 2x2. So you have 4 3x3s and 3 2x2s, and I thought this would be fun to change things up in my project life and my October daily and stuff like that. And then I bought the Tim Holtz Tiny Attacher refills. I do not have the tiny attacher, but I'm thinking ahead. It was on sale and I decided to pick it up, so yeah, I planned ahead, and eventually I will buy it, but it's just so expensive. and it's not available at Michael's anymore, or I'm not sure if it ever was here in Canada, so I can't use a coupon on it, so I'm kind of disappointed. Anyway, I also picked up the Maggie Holmes Project Life kit. This is the Chasing Dreams collection, and I absolutely love it, and I love that there's no more rounded corners. Yes, thank you. Anyway, I thought this would be so much fun for Project Life, and I can't wait to play with it to document. I think I'm going to use this to document November, and I'm planning on doing a 2018 full flip through album share for you guys at the end of the year, by end of December. So check out for that if you're interested. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. And then guys, let's get into the paper. This is the first time ever that scrapbook.com sent me this in cling wrap. Usually they send the papers in the little bags. I bought so much paper that they sandwiched it between chipboard or cardboard or whatever this is called, and then cling wrapped it. So that goes to show how much paper I bought. But I'm really excited. So I got this. This is from Chasing Dreams, and I got 5 of these because I'm working, like I said, on a lot of travel journals or travel albums, and I love this so much, and I love this side too. So I got 5 of these. This is from Snow and Cocoa, and again, I got the last 2 because I saw it selling out, and there was 4 and then there was only 2, and I actually bought this in digital, so I'm really excited that I have it in digital as well. I bought 2 of the Echo Park Merry and Bright Santa Claus. This is really cute, but I got this. It's so adorable. Actually, did I say 2? I got 3. This paper reminds me of those Jolie stickers that have the little Santa faces. I wish I got another pack of those. I'm almost running out, but they're so cute, guys. I got this. This is from the Crepe Paper Here and There collection. I got 2. Oh no, I got 3. Again, for the map looking thing. This is also Here and There, and I got it for the postcards. Also Here and There. Got it for the cut aparts. I actually bought 2 of these already, but I got it again because I really love this one, even for like a Halloween project. This, I got 2 more. I only bought 1 the last time, and I absolutely love it. It's so, so pretty. And then this is new to me. It's also from Here and There. I like this a lot, but I really just got it for the blue. I think this is such a unique pattern. I don't know, it reminds me of a rug, or I don't know, it's just really cool. I love it. I got 2 more of these. The maps again, and also I like the taxis. They're really cute. And then this one is really fun. I got 2 of these, again, Here and There, and I love that I can cut these up. And I like the little Vespas too in the back. Really fun. And this is from Chasing Dreams, I think, and I got it for the black. Love it. This is a Halloween paper because it was sold out, and I finally was able to get it. When I was at Danny's place over in October, I didn't realize how freaking cute they were with the little rosy cheeks. Because I have it in digital, I only got 2, but they're so cute. Love my skeletons. This is actually new. It's from the You and Me Echo Park collection. I got it for this beautiful floral. I only got 1, and then I got 2 of this one, the same collection. Love that they're using like a bluish purple. Purple's my color, yo. I'm so excited. And I just love this pattern. So I got 2. And then I got some crepe paper Merry Days. I am watching that website like a hawk. I regret not buying when I placed my first ever Merry Days collection order. I didn't know how much I was going to love it and how much I was going to use it. So I didn't buy enough paper. And now the ones I love the most are all sold out. And one of them is actually discontinued, which I don't understand. It's one with the branches. It's called Tinsel. But why is it discontinued for? And everything else is like out of stock. I don't get it. They removed it from the website. So I'm like so paranoid. But anyway, I got, this one's called Merrily, but more Fa La La because I love this collection. I got another 2 of these, and I actually bought it in digital format, and I actually printed it out today, so that was fun. And the back looks like this. More Fa La La. I have these already, but I needed more. And then this one is my favorite one. I got 3 more sheets of this. The birds. They're so damn cute. They're my favorite. I love it so much. And then this is my second favorite one of the whole collection. It's this mistletoe one here. How beautiful. This is from Oh What Fun. And yeah, this is all I was able to find. Everything else, like I said, was selling out of my cart. And I'm really shocked to see the quality of this paper. It's so much stronger, and like it feels heavy duty compared to crepe paper, which, just to say, crepe paper is more expensive than this. This was 85 cents. This was 93 cents. And it's in better quality, so that was interesting. But I love the black side too. And then again, Oh What Fun. I got 3 of these because I really like the little candies. There was a lot more I wanted, but like I said, all sold out. I'm so bummed. And then another crepe paper Merry Days. I have this already, but I got one more. So fun. And then this one's so pretty. It's Cartabella, and I kind of wish I got 2. And this is so adorable that I didn't realize there was cats on the background. But I got it for this because I absolutely love this pattern so much. So that is my haul. Oh my gosh, I bought so many things, but I love it all nonetheless. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to check out the items that I picked up, I will link everything down below for you guys. I am affiliated with scrapbook.com, so by using one of my links, you do help support my channel. I get a little commission, and I really appreciate it. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my 12 Days of Christmas series. See you then. Bye.